According to the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, Jamaica produces an average of 8,657 tons of solid waste per day. Even though a majority of it gets disposed of properly, a lot of it ends up in places it shouldn't. For example, in the sea, gullies, and drains. Now, proper disposal not only includes putting garbage in garbage bins, it also includes recycling when you can. So, how does recycling help the environment? Number one, it helps us conserve on our natural resources. For example, recycling plastics helps us to produce less new plastic products. Number two, it reduces the amount of garbage in our landfills and in turn reduces the amount of harmful chemicals and gases released from said landfills. Number three, it helps to reduce waste produced. Number four, it helps with energy conservation. And number five, it helps to keep the environment clean. So learning how to recycle is important. And to make it easier for you, here is a list of recycling sites across Jamaica. Let's start with the sites that accept plastics. Number one, first we have Recycling Partners of Jamaica, Kingston Depot. They are located at Lakes Pen Road, Spanish Town. Number two, Recycling Partners, Jamaica Environment Trust Recycling Depot, located at 123 Constant Spring Road, Unit 5, Kingston 8. Number three, Recycling Partners of Jamaica, Martins Hill Disposal Site. They can be found at Grove Place, Manchester. Number four, we have Recycling Partners of Jamaica, Greenwood, Montego Bay Depot in St. James. Number five, Recycling Partners of Jamaica, Whitehall Negril Depot in Westmoreland. Number six, Sweetcraft, located at 2 to 2B Shortwood Road, Kingston and St. Andrew. Number seven, Jamaica Recyclers. They take cardboard and paper. They are located at 164 Spanish Town Road, Kingston 11. Number 8, Tribune Recycling. They take newspaper, cardboard boxes, paper, and some small plastics. They are located at 10 Central Avenue, Kingston 4. Number 9, Jamaica Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. They take newspapers and can be found at 10 Winchester Road, Kingston 10. Number 10, we have Garbage Disposal and Sanitation Systems Limited, and they take only clear glass bottles. They are located at 223 Marcus Garvey Drive, Kingston 11. Number 11, we have Printwear Online Jamaica Limited, and they take toner cartridges. They are located at Unit 18, 85 Hagley Park Road, Kingston 10. Number 12, we have Caribbean Export Recycling, formerly Caribbean Recycling Company Limited, and they take car batteries and lead products. They are located at 78 Marcus Garvey Drive, Kingston. Number 13, we have INET Jamaica Limited. They take car batteries and electronics. They are located at 225.5 Marcus Garvey Drive. And finally, number 14, we have Kirbyton. They take scrap metal and are located at Clarendon Park, Clarendon. Additional information like their phone numbers and email addresses can be found on Jamaica Environment Trust website. I will leave a link in the description box below. I hope you found at least one site close by to you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.